Hello and welcome back. Today we are discussing Chapter 2, Geometric Reasoning. So this is the start of a new chapter. The first lesson in that chapter is using inductive reasoning to make conjectures. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with this warm-up, which just kind of goes over a little bit of vocabulary, and you're just going to go ahead and complete each of these sentences. So I'm going to give you a chance. Please pause your device, go ahead and fill out those questions, and then when you get done, press play and we'll go over them. All right, we're back. Let's go ahead and see how you did on problem number 1. It says blank points are points that lie on the same line. So those would be collinear. Collinear points are points that lie on the same line. If we have line, you know, there are multiple points that are on the same line. So A, B, C would be collinear points. Blank points are points that lie in the same plane. Those would be coplanar points. Okay, so if we had a plane here, you know, and it would just be, you know, all different types of planes, points that are in the same plane. So X, Y, and Z would be coplanar. And lastly, the sum of the measures of two blank angles is 90 degrees. So that would be complementary. Complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. And remember, supplementary angles add up to 180. So in example 1, we're just going to be looking at some few different patterns. And so we're just going to find the next item in the pattern. So A, we have January, March, May. What would be the next thing? Well, we have months, right? So what's happening? January, February, March, April, May, June, and then July would be the next. So it looks like we have a month, we skip a month, have a month, skip, have a month, skip, and so the next one would be July. So July would be the next month in this pattern. All right, what about here? 7, 14, 21, 28. What would be the next thing in the pattern? Well, yes, these are multiples of 7. So if you count by 7s, 7, 14, 21, 28. The next one would be 35. Okay, we have another pattern here where we have triangles, right? What would be the next one in the pattern? Well, if we look here, this point of the triangle is pointing up. This one's pointing to the side. Then it points down, so it looks like it's being rotated, right? And so the next one would be like this, where that point is pointing this way. Okay, so that would be the next one in the pattern. So now it's your turn to check it out. Example 1, find the next item in the pattern. 0.4, 0.04, 0.004, which would be the next one in the pattern. Go ahead and pause, figure that one out, and then come back when you're done. Okay, we're back. What did you come up with? Okay, so it looks like there's no 0 here. There's 1 0. There's 2 zeros. So then the next one would have 3 zeros. That would be the next one in the pattern. So if you got that one right, great job, and I'll see you in a bit for example 2.